Hi friends, Tracy here from the Sewing Channel. I just wanted to take a few minutes out of the last of this year to let you know how appreciative I am of you. I am so thankful to God that He has given me a platform where I can grow the sewing and quilting community. Not only have I made a ton of quilts this year, and you've probably made them right along with me, I've also designed a ton of patterns. I never thought of myself as a pattern designer before, but I guess I am now. And I give God all the glory for all the pattern designs and for each and every one of you that tune in every week just to see me make a quilt and possibly learn a few tips along the way. This time of year is really special for me, and it probably is for you too. It's that time of year where God sent His Son in the form of a baby down to this earth so that He could save us when we didn't even know that we needed saving. Wow, what a God we serve. I can't wait to see what 2024 brings. I'm a terrible planner, so I have no idea what's in store for 2024. But I really do hope that you come along for the ride. May God bless each and every one of you at this time of year and all the year round. Until next time on the Sewing Channel, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.